What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kdot Couture. I'm having some technical difficulties today with my tripod, so I'm gonna make this intro as short as possible. So basically, it is meal prep Sunday. I know you guys, oh, and my nail is broke as well, so great day. So it's meal prep Sunday, and I know that a lot of you guys always ask me for meal ideas. So what better day to give meal ideas than meal prep day? So I'm going to be taking you guys through the steps of what I do to meal prep for 3 days. I pretty much try to meal prep every 3 days because I don't want to get like tired of anything, and I don't really like leftovers when they're days and days in. So I'm gonna be meal prepping for the next 3 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I thought that, you know, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So if you like to know how I meal prep to lose weight, stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm down 48 pounds, okay? 48 pounds. I'm down 48 pounds. So when I'm down 50, I have to do something like when I'm down 50 pounds, because that's a big deal. Like, the girl will be down 50 pounds. So yeah, but let's just get right into this video. But before we do, you already know what time it is. It's time for anyone who is not already subscribed to the channel and join the gang to go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as notification button, so that you guys don't miss anything, okay? I don't want anybody to miss anything. This weight loss journey that we're all on, I don't need nobody missing out on. This is free game for everybody, okay? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this video. Okay, so what I'm going to cook first is going to be this chicken. I cook my chicken in the crock pot, which, as you guys know, could take a long time. So I put this in the crock pot for about 4 to 6 hours. So I'm going to cook the chicken first so that that can be done when the other food is also done. So I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off of this chicken just to make it a little bit healthier, and just because I don't like skin on chicken, and I think that it's healthier without the skin, and a little more flavorful as well. All right, guys, so now my chicken is nice and clean as well as skinless. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using: Italian seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little tiny bit of the Goya. So I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken now. Alright, so I feel like the lighting is bad in my kitchen, which is why I barely ever film in my kitchen, but you know, whatever. So I'm just going to turn the crock pot on and put it on 4 hours, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add my chicken. And now I'm just going to add a little tiny bit of this classic chicken gravy. So now I'm just covering that up, and I will be back to check on this in about 4 hours. All right, so for lunch for the next couple days, well, for the next 2 days, I'm going to do these Morningstar chicken patties on 45 calorie bread. So that's what I'm going to do for this. I might add a little bit of cheese to it, but I'm going to go ahead and prep these. And yeah, so with these chicken patties, I just put them on a cookie sheet with some tin foil and put the oven on 375, and boom, right in the oven, baby. All right, so my chicken patties are done. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting them in my bowls. And put another piece on top, another piece of bread on top. And sometimes I eat these with veggie chips. So, well, I could put the veggie chips in here. All right, so after lunch, sometimes I eat these veggie straws for snack. I'm going to put some of these on the side for a snack, even though like I might not eat them every single day, but I'm still going to put them in my meal prep, just so that if I do get hungry between meals, I don't have to wonder what I'm going to eat for my snack. So these veggie straws are 130 calories for about 38 straws. I don't eat anywhere near 38 straws, so I'm probably going to put this in like halves or like fourths or something, because I don't need that many. So I put my veggie straws in these little smaller containers. I actually divided it in fours. So there's about 9 to 10 veggie straws in here, which takes my calories from 130 down to about 32 and a half, 32, 33. So yeah, that's just a simple way to cut back on calories, especially after you eat a full sandwich that has 2 pieces of bread and chicken. Like, well, not chicken because it's vegan, chicken patties, but yeah, this is fine for me. Okay, so I just realized that I'm doing this whole thing pretty much backwards. I did dinner, lunch, and then breakfast, but whatever. So for breakfast, I'm going to make some shakes. So it'll be 3 shakes for 3 days. I'm going to use these frozen strawberries, frozen pineapples, and frozen mangoes. There was actually no fresh fruit in the grocery store because of this coronavirus thing. So the grocery store was like nothing there. So I had to kind of like get what I can. So yeah, I'm going to do some shakes for breakfast. And yeah, let's do that. guys, so this is breakfast. We have 3 smoothies. So the chicken has about an hour left on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on some vegetables so that they can go with the chicken. All right, so our chicken is actually finished, and it looks, ooh, it looks so good. It's literally like falling off the bone. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this in my containers along with my vegetables. All right, so my string beans are done. So now I'm just going to add my chicken. It's literally like falling off the bone. Look at that. Like I could barely even scoop it out without it falling off the bone. All right, guys, so here we have our meal prep. We have our breakfast, lunch, snack for lunch. We have our dinner, and we also have our snack for, you know, between breakfast and lunch. That's what it's looking like. Hey guys, so I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed meal prepping with me today.
Mommy.
Yes, Preston.
What's in it?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Okay, so anyway, I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed meal prepping with me today. This is a video that I actually enjoyed doing because I had to do it anyway. So if you guys would like me to share these meal prepping days with you more often, just let me know in the comments, and I will continue to do these maybe once a week. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and with the extra chicken and stuff, I actually use the extra food to make plates for my family. So although that I'm on a diet, they still, you know, eat pretty regular. So I just made them some Spanish rice to go with their chicken and string beans for dinner. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. So until next time, guys, stay positive and be blessed. Oh, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and also check out the weight loss videos that I have. I have about 4 weight loss videos on my channel right now. So if you guys haven't already seen them, go check them out. And that's about it. See you guys.